Hey Scrap fam, this is Trish and welcome to my channel. Coming to you today to show you what I worked on this past weekend. Got a couple of things done, so I'm here to share it. Didn't get this done. Wanted to do this today, but then I didn't meet with my scrappy group today because I was just trying to finish up some things that I needed to do. Didn't get around to logging into the Zoom. So that's going to have to wait. Anywho, I did set up for November in my scrap planner. So this is my currently page. Nice and fallish. I don't have my phone on the stand. I'm holding it, so it could be a little shaky. And I set up the November. So yeah, I like the way it came out, nice and fallish. And sorry about the uneven light. So yeah, so that is the fall setup. And again, like I said, I'm not doing my tracker anymore because I'm really not tracking. So so I'm not even gonna waste my time. But I am gonna still do it next year. I'm just gonna try again. But anyway, so here we go. This is a birthday card I made for my niece. I did some listing. I actually did the listing while listening to Layle because I do Layle by mail listing on Saturdays. So this wasn't the subject she talked about this week, but these were, I think, 2 or 3 weeks ago. She had one of the topics was things I'm looking forward to this fall. So that is this page. And I like how it came out. I try to do 2-pagers whenever I do them. Sorry for the glare right there. That's the lamp. Alright, so that's that one. And then the other one, because I'm kind of backed up. This is from September. And this was something she do every month. It's like you just pick a day and say, do today this happened. So this is my today this happened. So this is the one page. And I really like the muted colors on this. And this is the other page. So that's that. So I did some listing. I did my setup for my scrap planner, and then this is November. These are the scriptures I'm going to focus on for the month of November. This is from Illustrated Faith. It's from a 2019 gratitude documented, which what they do in November. So it was either free or $1 or something. So I've had it for a while. So I'm gonna do it this November. So this is my November monthly setup. Oops. Again, since it's not on the My phone isn't on the stanchion or... Let me get a closer look at it. This is the first week. I tried to do my, plan out my faith planners for the whole month and not weekly, just so I can get them done, because it's just so hard to get back to decorating them. So for this, I just try to do it the whole month and then it's done. And I can just go in there and do the studying. And then this is week 2. Yeah, that's a little better. I put on the light on my phone. I'm like, because it was just so dark. Again, sorry about that. So that's week 2. This is week 3. Really like how the pages came out. And then this is week 4. And that's all I worked on for the weekend. Other than in my faith journal, go back and, study for the week. I generally do the whole week in one day. I don't do it every day. So that's that. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel and checking out my projects that I worked on. I won't be posting next week. Or probably the week after that. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. So when so it'll probably be like 2 weeks before I post again. So thank you so much for checking out my channel. And yeah. Be blessed. Happy scrapping. And happy November. Bye for now.